My name's Corey. I'm a tech 4 at Topeka Metro.
And how long have you worked here?
I've been here for a year.
What are some of the duties that you do as part of your position?
We fuel buses, we inspect the buses, wash the buses. A lot of the maintenance that's done around the buildings is done by us.
Okay.
Yard work.
What's your favorite part of this job?
I think my favorite part of this job is the people that I work with are a lot of fun. It's a lot of hands-off work. There's nobody breathing over your shoulder, so it's good. They're flexible, and it's great outdoor work.
So if you were to tell somebody about this position, what would you say to them or tell them?
Well, I think give them a try if you're looking for a great paying job with good benefits, comfortable employer. It's Topeka Metro.